Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kevin Goodman, Realtor with EXP Realty and the Goodman team. And today we're going to talk about the real estate market in Ennis, Texas. Whether you're a buyer or seller, this update is for you. So let's dive in. First up, let's talk about month supply of inventory. And I'm going to break it down to days. So basically right now we have about 100 days of supply, meaning if there were no more listings hit the market, within 3 months we would have no listings on the market. Over the past 12 months, we've seen an increase of 18.66% in month supply of inventory. This indicates a shift toward a more balanced market with neither buyers nor sellers having a significant advantage. Next, let's look at list to sold price percentage. This number tells us how close the final sales price is to the original list price. In Ennis, we're seeing a list to sold price percentage of 99%, which is fantastic news for sellers, which means that homes are selling very closely to the price that they were listed at. In some cases, we're seeing homes actually going above list price. So when you're a seller, when you're thinking about selling, thinking about how you want to price, you need to think that away too. Is what's the market telling me to list my house at? I've got some sellers that look at it from a needs basis, which when you're getting ready to sell, what you need to walk away with has very little impact on what the house will actually bring. Listen to your agent, listen to the market data. Make sure that they're doing their job and doing the research and presenting you the market data that's directly related to your home. You'll come out better if you do. Another important metric to consider is median days on the market, which is currently setting at about 30 days. This means that half the homes on the market are selling within 30 days, while the other half are taking longer. For sellers, this is a great sign that there's a strong demand for homes in the area. And buyers, this means that you may need to act quickly when you find a home that you love. Finally, let's talk about median sold price in Ennis. The current median sold price in Ennis is $298,450, which represents a healthy increase from the previous year. This is great news for sellers looking to get top dollar for their home, and for buyers who may see their investments grow over time. So there you have it, folks. As you can see, the market is strong, well-balanced, with a well-balanced supply and demand is high. List of sold percentages are good, and a healthy median sold price. If you're thinking of selling it or buying in the Ennis market, now's the time to call the Goodman team, who can help you navigate this exciting market. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.